Good morning, student. Today we will learn about back exercise and short answer question of chapter 4 nervous system. So let's start with fill in the blanks. So open your page 48 of your book, chapter number 4 nervous system. A part, fill in the blanks. Medulla control the dash and dash. Medulla control the dash and dash. Student, as you know, medulla is the base of the brain. The lower part is known as medulla, and medulla control heartbeat and breathing. All the involuntary actions are controlled by medulla. Heartbeat and breathing are involuntary actions. They are controlled by medulla. So medulla control heartbeat and breathing. Second, dash nerve cause the movement of muscles. Nerves cause the movement of muscles. Motor nerves. Motor nerves cause the movement of muscles. Motor nerves. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. So motor nerves causes the movement of muscles. The colored part of eye is called iris. The color part of the eye is called iris. So student, you have draw the diagram structure of human eye. Hope all of you have draw that diagram in your practice notebook as well as in fair notebook. So there are different parts of eyes like cornea, iris, pupil, eye lens, retina. So the colorful part is called iris. Cornea is the transparent front part, and behind the cornea there is a color part known as iris. Color part is iris. The part of the brain which control your balance and coordinate your movement. The part of the brain which controls your balance and coordinate your movement is cerebellum. Cerebellum. So cerebellum control our body balance and coordinate our movement. So control your balance and coordinate your movement. Which part of the brain? Cerebellum. Cerebellum. The innermost area of the tongue taste. The innermost area, the inner part of the tongue. Which type of taste? Bitterness. Bitterness. Innermost area on the tongue taste bitterness. Bitterness. So you can see very well in the diagram of page number 45, taste area of the tongue. So the innermost part is used for bitter taste. So taste, the innermost area on the tongue tastes bitterness. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now let's discuss true and false. So if the statement is true, you have to write true. If the statement is false, you have to write false. Motor nerves carry impulse from a receptor to the brain. Receptor to the brain. It is a false statement because motor nerves carry the order or the command from brain to the different part of the body. It carry command or order from the brain to the different part of body. So the statement motor nerves carry impulses from a receptor to the brain, it is a false statement. That function is done by sensory nerves. Motor nerve does not perform that type of function. You can feel pain through the ears. You can feel pain through the ears. It is a false statement. It's a false statement. We feel any type of pain, any type of feeling by our skin, with the help of our skin. Ear help us to hear, to listen. Cerebrum is responsible for reflex action. Cerebrum is responsible for reflex action. That is a false statement. Our spinal cord is responsible for reflex action. Spinal cord. We have discussed about this. That spinal cord is responsible for reflex action. And what is reflex action? A quick reaction when we accidentally touch any hot object. We move our hand in a backward direction very quickly. That is not controlled by brain, that is controlled by spinal cord. So reflex action, who is responsible for the reflex action? Spinal cord, not cerebrum. So it is a false statement. Cerebrum is responsible for reflex action. It is a false statement. Reading in a moving vehicle strain eyes. Yes, it is true. So we have learned about this when we are discussing about how you can take care of your eyes. So reading in a moving vehicle strain eyes. They can strain our eyes. Food tastes better when we have cold. It is a false statement. When we are having a cold, the taste of food is not good, not better. We cannot identify a different taste of a food when we are having a cold. The reason behind this is that our tongue and our smell organ, they are interrelated. If our sense of smell is not good, then we cannot taste the original taste. We cannot feel the original taste. Okay. So smell and taste, they are interrelated. So when food tastes better when we are having cold, it is a false statement. Part C, complete the series. Okay. One series is given, you have to complete that. Bundle of fiber, that is related to nerves. Taste buds related to tongue. In this manner, you have to complete that series. Fibers, bundle of fibers, nerves. Taste buds, tongue. Motor nerves, order. Motor nerves give order. Sensory nerves gives message. Motor nerves take order from the brain to the sense organ. Sensory nerves take message from the sense organ to the brain. So motor nerves order, sensory nerves messages. Learning, cerebrum. Learning, intelligence, that is related to cerebrum, the topmost part of the brain. Heartbeat, cerebellum. Below the cerebrum, there is a second part of the brain known as cerebellum. And cerebellum control the heartbeat and breathing. That is our first fill-up. So heartbeat, cerebellum, related to cerebellum. Learning, related to cerebrum. Cerebellum, muscles, cerebellum, muscles, cerebrum, intelligence, cerebellum, intelligence, related to intelligence, related to learning. Fifth part is eyes. Eyes related to sight. Sight means to see anything. For vision, to see. Nose related to smell. Nose related to smell. Eyes related to sights. Nose related to smells. So you have to complete this series in this manner. Now the D part, write one word answer for the following. You have to give your answer in one word. In one word. Bundles of fibers that link all part of the body to the brains. Bundle of fibers that link all part of the body to the brain known as nerves. These are known as nerves. So you have to give your answer in one word. Nerves. Base of brain, medulla. Base of brain, medulla. This control the action of muscles. Control the action of muscles. Action of muscles are controlled by brain. These are controlled by brain. Nerves that carry order from the brain to the muscles. Nerves that carry order from the brain to the muscles, from the brain to the muscles, that are motor nerves. Motor nerves. Motor nerves carry order from the brain to the muscles. This function is performed by motor nerves. Motor nerves. Fifth part, the sensory nerves that join the eyes to the brain. The sensory nerves that joins the eyes to the brain. Optic nerves. Optic nerves. The sensory nerves that join the eyes to the brain. Optic nerves. Optic nerves. Sensory nerves that join the eyes to the brain. Optic nerves. Optic nerves. Optic nerves. So student, this is your back exercise. So you have to complete this back exercise in your book. Now let's discuss about short answer type question. Yes, student, these are your short answer type question. What is the nervous system made up of? What is the nervous system made up of? What is the nervous system made up? Yes, student, what is the nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of nerve cell. Nerve cell. It consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nervous system is made up of nerve cell. It consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nervous system is made up of nerve cell. It consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Question number 2. How do eyelid help the eyeballs? Eyelid protect eyes from injury. Eyelid protect eyes from injury. If eye is facing some type of injury, eyelid automatically close. Eyelid automatically close, and it will protect our eyes from any type of injury. So the question first, what is the nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of nerve cells. It is consisting of 3 parts: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Question number 2, how do eyelids help the eyeballs? Eyelid protect eyes from injury. Question number 3, how do we see an object? How do we see an object? Obviously, your answer is we see the object with the help of eyes. But how our eyes working? What is the working of our eyes? Light travel through the pupil of the eyes lens to the retina at the back of our eyes. Student, you have draw the diagram of structure of eyes. So there are different parts. The first part is cornea, then there is iris. Middle of the iris, there is a black spot known as pupil, and light enter into our eyes through the pupil only. And behind the pupil, there is a lens. So the light travel through the pupil and the eye lens of the to the retina at the back of our eyes. The retina act as a screen on which an image is formed. Retina act as a screen on which an image is formed, it sends all the information of the image to the brain through optic nerve. So when the image is formed at retina, retina will send that information with the help of optic nerves to the brain. All the information about the color, what we are seeing, what is the shape and size of the object, these type of information are sent to the brain with the help of optic nerves. Optic nerves. So optic nerves send all the information of the image to the brain through the optic nerves. The brain interprets it and thus we see the object. The brain will understand this and thus we can see the object. So this is the functioning of our eyes, working of our eyes. How do we see an object? So student, always remember that light enter through pupil into the eyes, and that light will pass through the lens, and back of the eyes there is a retina, and at retina image will form, because retina act as a screen, and at retina the image of the object will form. It send all the information of the image to the brain through optic nerves. All the information about the image will be sent to the brain with the help of optic nerves. And when the information is received at brain will understand that message, brain will interpret that message, and in this way we can see the object. Okay, student. Now the question number 4. How do we hear sound around us? How do we hear sound around us? Now we will discuss about the functioning of ear, functioning of human ear. We all are having ear. So how do our ear work? What is the working of our ear? How do we hear sounds around us? First of all, the sound is received by external ear. The external ear helps us to receive and send sound to the middle ear. Our outer ear, external ear will receive the sound and it will send the sound to the middle ear, and middle ear is having eardrum. Eardrum will start vibrating, and that these vibrations then send to the inner ear. From the inner ear, nerve will send that sound to the brain, and our brain will interpret that sound we hear. So let's discuss about this. The external ear help us to receive and send sound to the middle ear, hitting the eardrum, which vibrates. It will hit the eardrum and eardrum will vibrate. Sound vibration pass on to the inner ear, which sends sound to the brain as impulses through nerves. Impulses through nerves. So this sound vibration will be sent by the nerves to the brains in the form of impulses. The brain interprets the sounds we hear, the sound which we are listening, the sound which we are hear, that will be understood by the brain. So I'm repeating this explanation. The external ear help us to receive and send sound to the middle ears, hitting the eardrum, which vibrates. So our external ear receive the sound and it will send that sound to the middle ear. Middle ear is having eardrum. That eardrum will start vibrating, and these vibrations are sent to the brain with the help of nerves. Then our brain will understand these vibrations, and in this way we can hear the sounds. We can hear the sounds. Now student, question number 5. Write the names of different part of an eyes. What are the different part of eyes? Different part of eyes. So different part of eyes are iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. These are the different part of our eyes. Hope you have draw the diagram or the structure of human eyes. If you all have draw that diagram, then you can understand very well that what are the name of different part of an eyes. So different part of an eyes are the iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. These are the different part of human eyes. Open human eyes. So student, I'm going to repeat short answer type question. If you are having any doubt, it will be removed. Short answer question. Question 1. What is the nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of nerve cells. It consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. How do eyelids help the eyeballs? Eyelid protect eyes from any type of injury. So with the help of eyelids, our eyes are protected from any type of injury. If eye is receiving any injury, our eyelid will be closed automatically. They will be closed automatically because that reflex action is controlled by spinal cord. That is also a reflex action. If any dust particles comes into our eyes automatically close. So that action is performed by spinal cord, which is also known as a reflex action. So how do eyelids help the eyeballs? Eyelid protect eyes from injuries. How do we hear? How do we see an object? So these are the two most important questions. How do we see? How do we hear the sounds? Light travels through pupil and the eye lens to the retina at the back of our eyes. So the colored part of our eye is known as iris, and at the center of iris there is a black spot known as pupil. So light will travel through the pupil and the eye lens to the retina at the back of our eyes. Back of our eyes there is a screen known as retina. The retina acts as a screen on which image is formed. It sends all the information of the image to the brain through the optic nerves. With the help of optic nerves, all the information will be sent to the brain, and brain will understand that message. Brain will interpret that message, and in this way, we can see the object. In this way, we can see the object. Okay, student. Now the question number 4, it is related to the working of human ear. Means how do we hear sounds around us? Another question can be like this: what is the working of our human ear? How our human ear works? External ear, also known as outer ear, help us to receive sound. It will receive sound and send that sound to the middle ear, which will hit the eardrum, and eardrum will vibrate. Eardrum will vibrate. The sound vibration pass to the inner ear. This sound vibration will pass to the inner ear, which sends sound to the brain, which sends sound to the brain with the help of nerves. Impulses means nerves, through the nerves. The brain will understand this message, understand this sound, interpret the sound, and thus we can hear. Write the name of different part of an eyes. Different part of an eye are the iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. Different part of an eye are the iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. So these are the different part of our eyes. So student, this is the explanation of back exercise and short answer type question. Hope you understand this explanation. If still you are having any doubt, you can ask your question one by one in query session. Akash sir, allow the student to ask their question.